Hello gang, Mario here. Welcome to a very special video, and that's because this is my last one. I've decided to give up YouTube. I've just basically had enough. So that's the short version of the video. I know most people leave after the first 10 or 15 seconds anyway, so that's the information that's in here. If you want to find out a little bit more, I guess I can ramble on for a couple of minutes, but that's the short version of it. I don't know, what can I say? It's been 11 years. You know, everyone's seen Forrest Gump, yeah? Everyone's seen Forrest Gump. If you haven't, make sure you go watch Forrest Gump. But there's a scene in Forrest Gump where Forrest is running across America and he's running and running and running. And then one day he just sort of stops and says he's had enough. And I think that's where I'm at. That's about it, is what it comes down to. There's nothing bad has happened. I'm just sort of over it, is what it comes down to. I've had a great time doing it. It's been 11 years, I think, this month that Woodfather has been around. Over 100 videos, 22,000 subscribers. It's all really cool, but it's too much work for too little reward, and I don't enjoy it like I used to. So I've decided to just stop. So this time around, maybe 6 or 7 years ago, I paused so that I could focus on work, and that's kind of what I'm doing here as well. But last time I did the pause, I didn't actually announce anything. I just stopped making videos, and I got all these random emails and comments and things like that. So I thought I'll make a video this time and just put it out there that I'm not going to make more. This is pretty much it. You can never say never, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to post any more videos on this channel. So this could be my most unsubscribed video ever. So that's really cool. That's all it comes down to. I've had a great time doing it. Made a lot of friends, had a really good time like getting together with the maker community. That's been really cool. I didn't expect to enjoy that, to be honest. I'm not a super social person, but I really had a lot of fun doing it. I got to do some great stuff with TimberCon. A bunch of other sponsors that sent me free stuff, which was like, wow, amazing. And it's been really cool, but I just can't be bothered anymore, is what it comes down to. New role at work, which is really exciting, and I'm going to put a lot of effort into that. I don't get to make as much as I should. Like the CNC, I've barely turned it on over the last couple of months, and that's because I've got 4 or 5 projects that I want to film. But filming a project just is so much work, and I'm not interested in putting in the effort. So I'm not complaining here, like don't get me wrong, it's my choice, and I know that it's me not putting in the effort, and that's why I'm not getting out of YouTube what I want to get out of it, but I also don't want to put in the effort. So that's it. That's what it comes down to. Big thanks to everyone who has supported the Woodfather or me over the last 11 years. Especially, well, big thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed and all that sort of fun stuff, but especially to the people who spent their hard-earned money on stuff that I sold over the years. That's really cool. Woodfather's Jig still gets a couple of sales every now and again, so that's really exciting. Big thanks to everyone who's done that. Very, very much appreciated. It helped pay for, or maybe not for the workshop, but it helped sort of balance out the money that I was spending on tools and things over the years. So that was really, really cool. I'm going to keep all that sort of stuff up. I'm not going to take any videos down. You'll still be able to buy things. I probably won't respond to every comment on every video, but if you've bought the plans and you reach out, you send an email or you leave a comment on the build videos regarding the plans, those ones I'll still definitely respond to as I normally would. What else is there? I don't know. It's just been a lot of fun, but the fun is over. It's time to get more fun out of the actual making instead of the making of videos for it, I think. So as for future stuff, I guess the YouTube channel will stay alive. I'm not going to get rid of it, but I really don't expect to post any more videos here at all. I also have Instagram, which I've never really liked Instagram. Over the last few months, I tried going harder and harder on it, but I don't see the point. I just don't like it, is what it comes down to. So I might post a photo of finished products or finished projects that I make in the future, but I won't do any videos, I don't think, over there. Or the daily stories. Like the stories were fun for a little bit, but it just makes everything longer and slower, and I'm not that interested in doing them, quite frankly, so I'm not gonna anymore. What else is there? That's about it. I don't go on Facebook, or I have a Facebook account, but I don't use it. The website will stay up until it's no longer financially worth it. And that's about it. Yeah. Thanks everyone over the years who has liked or disliked or commented and subscribed or bought something. Very much appreciated. It's been great getting to know you, and all the best in the future. Cool. I'll catch you later. Cheers, gang.